Good morning, students. Now the last topic of the chapter number 7. And previous classes we discussed about the occupation and all these economic activities done by human for their survival. All these are included in the occupation. Clear? And then we discuss about the types of the occupation: primary occupation, secondary occupation, tertiary occupation, and the quaternary occupation and the quinary occupation. In primary occupation we discuss about the human human creates all these work related to directly related to the nature, and all these economic activities are for their survival, are included in the primary activities. Then here the manufacturing work are included in secondary activities, and third is the tertiary activities. All these tertiary activities are related to the service sector. And here the sub part of the tertiary activity, quaternary activities and the quinary activities, and we will discuss about the quaternary activities and the quinary activities, quinary occupation and the quaternary occupation. First, both are the sub part of subdivision of the tertiary activities, the quaternary occupation and the quinary occupation. So number 4 here, the quaternary occupation. Here the quaternary occupation are the sub part of the tertiary occupation, and here the Jean Gottman include the direct services. The Jean Gottman include the direct services in quaternary occupation. Here the indirect services in the quaternary occupation, and here the direct services are the tertiary occupation, and here the sub part of the tertiary occupation, here the indirect services, and the indirect services are included in the quaternary occupation. Here the Jean Gottman include the indirect services. Jean Gottman includes the indirect services in quaternary occupation. Jean Gottman include indirect services in the quaternary occupation. And here the maximum population of the developed countries are engaged in the quaternary occupation. The population of the developed countries increase towards the quaternary and the quinary occupation to tertiary occupation. First here the in developing condition countries are included in the primary and the tertiary, and then developed countries they are included in the tertiary occupation. And here the increase the life level and on the population are increased towards the quaternary and the quinary occupation. And the quaternary occupation, the category is related to information based and research development based services. Employees working in office, educational institute, hospitals. Here the all these work are the high level in institutes and the educational institutes and the hospitals, theaters, accountancy and the commission firm are related to this category, and all these services are the indirect services. The direct services in here educational institute, hospital, theaters, accountancy, all these are the tertiary occupation. And here the indirect services by the employees working in office, educational institute, hospitals, theaters, accountancy and the commission firms are included in the quaternary occupation. And the quaternary occupation, here the category is related to information based and the research development based services. So all these are the high level services related to information, related to the research development services. Clear? Now here the quinary occupation. The quinary occupation is also the high level service, also the highest level service from the tertiary and the quaternary occupation. Tertiary or quaternary high level services in the quinary occupation. In quinary occupation, totally focus on the creating new and the contemporary ideas, explanation of the reconstruction and interpretation of data and their application, and the education of the latest technology. What is in the quinary occupation? Focus on here the creating new ideas and contemporary idea. Which ideas are included? Which ideas are the favorable for the country? Which ideas increase the life level of the countries, and which ideas develop the population? All these are the included in the quinary occupation. And also here the explanation of reconstruction, interpretation of data and their application, and the educational of latest technology. Here the what here the evaluation of the latest technology. Here the evaluation of the latest technology. evaluation of the latest technology include in the quinary occupation. Here the what technology are the good and the not, and here the what technology are developed the country, and the which technology are the compulsory for the human, and all these are the ideas about these are included in the quinary occupation. These quinary services are the high level services from the tertiary and the quaternary services. The subject specialists in the quinary occupation, here they include the subject specialists, consultants, decision makers, policy makers. ठीक है, in the quinary occupation, here they include the subject specialists, consultants, decision makers, policy makers are included in the quinary occupation. Are included in the quinary occupation. Subject specialists, consultants, decision makers, and the policy makers include in the quinary occupation. Clear? Here we discuss about the primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, and the quinary occupation. In the primary occupation, here we also compare the primary, secondary, and tertiary occupation, and also here the differentiates between the primary, secondary, and tertiary occupation. First here the primary occupation, second here secondary occupation, and third here the tertiary occupation. Tertiary occupation. First here the primary occupation. All these services are the direct services. Direct activities related to land, related to nature, and here include the all these manufacturing activities, and in tertiary activities we include the service activities, and here the second, in the primary activities include here the hunting, agriculture also, and animal husbandry also, and here the maritime, here the fisheries. All these activities are included in the primary activity. In secondary, here the increase the manufacturing, building, roads, industries, etc. In service sectors, all these type of the service, like here the teacher, like here the lawyer, like the doctor, all these services are included in the tertiary occupation. And here the maximum people of the underdeveloped countries, and the developed countries, and the underdeveloped countries, and the developing countries population include in the primary occupation, and here the developing population include in the maximum developing population include in the secondary occupation, and here the developed countries population include in the tertiary occupation. And here the income source, income क्या होगी यहाँ पे low income, then here the increase the income, then comparison of the primary, and here the high income comparison of the primary and the secondary occupation. Thus we can also here the different between the primary, secondary, and the tertiary activities, and we also classify here the comparison between primary, secondary, and the tertiary occupation.